Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the original battery in the HP14DH laptop. Before we dive in, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help ensure a smooth and safe battery replacement process. First, power off your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the procedure. Now, let's remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws on the underside of the laptop. There are typically 5 screws that need to be removed. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, take your plastic spudger and gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic clips holding the cover in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Now that the back cover is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically near the center. You will see several connectors and screws securing the battery in place. Before proceeding, I want to mention that if you're not comfortable performing this replacement yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help assess the situation. Next, unscrew the screws that hold the battery in place. There are usually 4 screws to remove. Set these aside with the other screws. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. You may need to use the spudger to help pry it loose, but be very gentle to avoid damaging the connector. Now, lift the old battery out of the compartment carefully. Take a moment to clean the area where the battery was installed. Dust and debris can accumulate, so using a can of compressed air can help clear out any particles. It's a good practice to keep your laptop clean to ensure optimal performance. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Place it in the same orientation as the old one and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Ensure it's seated properly, as a loose connection can cause issues later on. Once connected, secure the new battery by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the screws or damage the battery. After securing the new battery, replace the back cover of the laptop. Line it up and gently press down to snap the clips back into place. Reinsert the screws that hold the back cover, ensuring each is tightened properly. Finally, plug in your laptop and turn it on to check if the new battery is recognized. If it powers up without any issues, you've successfully replaced the battery. If for any reason it doesn't work, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Before you finish, it's a good idea to check the battery status in your settings to confirm that everything is working perfectly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for a quote before repair. This ensures you know the costs upfront and can make an informed decision about your laptop's care. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.